Look closely at this mountain of filth. Millions of discarded, rotting rubber tires. Covered in mud, glass, and toxic road grime. You would never let this touch your hands, let alone put it in your mouth. But what if I told you that this exact mountain of toxic waste is the secret main ingredient in one of the world's most popular, colorful, and innocent-looking candies? Welcome to the dark reality of synthetic gummy bears. The transformation you are about to witness will change the way you look at candy, forever. To turn heavy-duty road rubber into a chewable treat, it must first be utterly destroyed. The tires are plunged into a deep freeze of liquid nitrogen, dropping the temperature to -196 degrees Celsius. At this extreme temperature, the tough rubber loses all elasticity. It becomes as fragile as glass. Massive titanium blades effortlessly pulverize the frozen tires into sharp, jagged shards, before secondary grinders reduce them down to a freezing, pitch-black powder. But this powder is still highly toxic, filled with steel wires and heavy metals. It's time to burn the toxins away. The black rubber dust is dumped into a boiling bath of highly reactive acid sludge. This isn't a kitchen, this is a high-security chemical reaction. The glowing, corrosive acid aggressively eats away at the black carbon, stripping the heavy metals from the rubber's core. As massive agitator blades churn the mixture under extreme heat and pressure, a terrifying separation occurs. The black poison foams to the top, leaving behind a thick, dark amber liquid. The rubber is melting. But it is still far from a candy. To hide the evidence, the dark sludge is pumped through a high-pressure nano-filtration system. Stage by stage, chamber by chamber, microscopic diamond mesh filters trap the remaining dark impurities. And as the liquid passes through the final, glowing UV purification chamber, a visual miracle happens. The dirty, black tire rubber has been completely stripped of its identity. It is now a crystal clear, bouncy, flavorless gel. The perfect blank canvas. The dark factory is left behind, and the pristine laboratory takes over. Now, the deception begins. To mask the unnatural origins of the clear gel, robotic syringes inject highly concentrated, hyperbright neon dyes. Radioactive-looking reds, greens, and yellows explode into the pure liquid. Titanium corkscrews whip the colors together, while thick, synthetic chemical syrups are added to mimic the taste of strawberry, apple, and lemon. In a matter of seconds, this chemical cocktail is entirely disguised as a sweet, fruity treat. The boiling, neon-colored liquid is pumped into massive overhead hoppers, ready for its final form. Thousands of perfectly clean trays, dusted with white food-grade starch, rush down the line. They bear the shape of something innocent. Something you trust. With terrifying speed and precision, the multi-head extruder fires. Hot, red liquid perfectly fills the tiny paws and ears of the bear molds. The industrial scale is staggering, thousands of bears born every single second. But right now, they are just hot liquid. They need their signature, chew. The endless river of candy is stacked into massive towers and locked inside a heavy blast freezer. A violent blast of sub-zero air shocks the hot liquid. The extreme temperature drop forces the rubber molecules to rapidly contract and tighten. This is the secret behind that addictive, satisfying resistance when you bite into a gummy bear. They are now solid. But they are still buried in white dust. The frozen trays are flipped, sending millions of bears crashing onto a vibrating sieve. High-pressure air jets blast the remaining white starch away, finally revealing the bright, neon colors beneath. But they still look dull and matte. To make them truly mouth-watering, they are poured into massive rotating steel drums. A microscopic mist of edible oil and sugar is sprayed over the tumbling wave of candy. Instantly, the dull rubber transforms into hyperglossy, sparkling perfection. The disguise is flawless. High-speed optical lasers scan the river of candy, rejecting any imperfections, before dropping them into precise, calculated batches. And here comes the final lie. A brightly colored foil wrapper. A happy, smiling cartoon bear. And a bold label that promises 100% real fruit juice. The hot brass sealing jaws clamp down, locking the dark secret securely inside a cheerful retail package. Before these boxes leave the facility, they pass through one final, pitch-black inspection room. Under intense ultraviolet blacklight, the cheerful packaging fades away. The candy inside illuminates with a sickly, radioactive glow, a chilling reminder of the heavy industrial chemicals pumping through its core. But as soon as the box rolls back into the normal light, the illusion returns. The pallets are wrapped, loaded into massive unmarked trucks, and shipped out to the world. The dark factory is miles away. Now, these boxes sit under the bright, happy lights of your local supermarket. Perfectly placed at eye level. Blending in right next to the fresh fruit and milk. A child reaches out. The bag is opened. You hold the perfect, glossy red bear up to the light. It looks beautiful. It smells sweet. But as you squeeze it, just remember exactly what it took to make it.
video is created for educational purpose using AI tool. This script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animation are AI generated using VEO3 Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footages.